Credit cards can be a double-edged sword. While many see them as tools for debt, the savvy know they can unlock incredible financial benefits if used wisely. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on credit card hacks that banks don't want you to know. These strategies can help you save money, earn rewards, and even build wealth, all while staying out of debt. Let's get started. 1. Maximize rewards and cashback. The hack: match your spending habits to the right credit card rewards program. For everyday spending, use cards that offer cashback on groceries, gas, and dining. For travelers, choose cards that provide air miles, hotel points, or travel insurance. Example: some cards offer up to 5% cashback on categories like groceries or gas, which can save you hundreds annually. Pro tip: pair cashback cards with quarterly rotating categories to double your rewards. 2. Pay your balance like a pro. The hack: always pay your balance in full each month. Why? Avoid interest charges and boost your credit score. Advanced tip: set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Bonus: paying early can reduce your credit utilization ratio, improving your credit score even further. 3. Exploit sign-up bonuses. The hack: sign up for new credit cards to take advantage of lucrative welcome bonuses. How it works: many cards offer bonuses like $500 cashback or 100,000 travel points if you meet spending thresholds within the first 3 months. Example: spend $3,000 in 3 months to unlock rewards worth several $100s. Pro tip: plan large purchases around sign-up bonuses to hit spending requirements effortlessly. 4. Leverage 0% introductory APR offers. The hack: use credit cards with 0% introductory APR for balance transfers or large purchases. Why it works: these offers give you interest-free periods, sometimes up to 18 months. How to use it: transfer high-interest debt to a 0% APR card to save on interest while paying off balances. Finance major purchases without incurring extra costs. Warning: always pay off the balance before the promotional period ends to avoid high interest rates. 5. Take advantage of price protection. The hack: use cards with price protection benefits to save on purchases. What it means: if the price of an item drops after you buy it, your credit card company might refund the difference. Example: bought a TV for $500, but it drops to $400 a week later? Claim a $100 refund. Pro tip: check your card's terms for eligibility and time limits. 6. Use your card for travel perks. The hack: unlock travel perks like lounge access, priority boarding, and free travel insurance. How it works: many premium cards include these benefits, saving you hundreds per trip. Example: cards like Chase Sapphire Reserve or Amex Platinum provide airport lounge access and trip cancellation coverage. Pro tip: look for cards with no foreign transaction fees to save money abroad. 7. Double dip with reward portals. The hack: shop through your credit card's rewards portal to earn bonus points or cashback. How it works: many issuers offer extra rewards when you shop with partner retailers through their portal. Example: earn 5x points on electronics purchased through your card's online marketplace. Pro tip: combine this with retailer discounts and cashback apps for triple savings. 8. Get free extended warranties. The hack: use credit cards that offer extended warranties on electronics and appliances. What it does: adds extra coverage to the manufacturer's warranty, saving you repair or replacement costs. Example: a laptop with a 1-year warranty gets an additional year for free if purchased with an eligible card. 9. Monitor your credit report regularly. The hack: many credit cards now offer free credit monitoring tools. Why it's important: track your credit score and detect fraud early. Example: use alerts from your card issuer to catch suspicious activity instantly. Pro tip: reviewing your credit report regularly can also help you spot errors and disputes. 10. Stack discounts with card benefits. The hack: combine card-specific discounts with retailer promotions and cashback apps. How it works: many cards offer exclusive deals with brands, like 20% off select stores or services. Example: Use your card's cashback offer alongside holiday discounts to maximize savings. Credit cards, when used wisely, can be powerful tools for financial growth. These hacks aren't just about saving money, they're about making your money work harder for you. Whether it's maximizing rewards, leveraging travel perks, or escaping high-interest debt, there's a strategy for everyone. Now that you know these insider secrets, it's time to put them into action. Share your favorite hack in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more money smart tips.